YouTube, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning here in Suwanee, Georgia today. We're on our second job. It's about 12 o'clock. We've got roughly a 10 area job here. It's a repeat customer who's obviously moved out. Carpets are in pretty decent shape. There's a spot there. Most of the carpet is what we call camouflage carpet, which is that stuff there in the hallway and the stairs. And this is the worst room here. You can see by all the heavy traffic from the bed out into the hallway and the bathroom. All that will lighten up a great deal. We'll see what happens with all this stuff over here. Should come out relatively easily. So we got the upstairs, we got the master on the main. Got the master here, a couple pea spots. We got the master bath. And we got the Berber carpet down here in the basement. And there's 4 areas in the basement. We got the TV area here. It's a good size, and we got a little training room here. And we got a bathroom. And then another bedroom. So we got 10 areas altogether. Most of it's in pretty good shape. And like I said, it's a repeat customer. It's been about, I don't know, 5-6 years since we were here. We didn't do the upstairs or the downstairs. We did a couple of the other areas, but we'll get it knocked out and see how she looks when we're done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's almost 2 o'clock. We just finished up this 10, actually it was an 11 area job. Ended up being the master bathroom and both little closets. Took us right at 2 hours. I'll give you a quick view of the upstairs. Everything looks good up here. Fans are on. This was the worst room, and as you can see, it looks a whole lot better. Carpet's about 15 years old, hadn't been cleaned in about 10. So it looks better than it did. Didn't look brand new, but it's, 20 carpet cleanings overdue. More importantly than that, the customer, repeat customer at that, was very happy with the outcome. So again, there was no upsells, no per spot fees, things of that nature. Everything was included, including odor treatment. So again, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853. On the web at omgfloorcare.com. Like I said, this was an 11 area job with odor treatment, lots of spots. Took us about 2 hours. It was a $400 job after discounts. If you want to know more about discounts, give us a call to work those into your pricing. But again, it's $400 out the door for this customer. Thanks for watching. Be kind. Take care. We'll see you next time.